My name is Melinda. I'm a nurse practitioner here at Allegro MedSpa, and I'm going to talk about laser hair removal, also known as laser hair reduction. So laser hair is fantastic when you're looking for a permanent hair reduction. If you're looking to say, I only want to shave once a year, if that, you're gonna love laser hair. If you are so tired of getting painful Brazilian waxes, come and get laser hair. I hear every day patients say, I wish I had done this sooner. And then I have them say, how old does my daughter have to be till you can treat her underarms or her upper lip or something like that? Because it really is life-changing. It will save so much time in the day. You're not gonna spend money on like shaving forever, razors and shaving cream and expensive waxing and sugaring and threading and so many things that you could be doing. So it is a little bit of an investment in time and in money in the beginning, but it is so well worth it for over your lifetime having a permanent hair reduction. Now, I tell everyone it's permanent hair reduction, it's not hairlessness. You're not going to have, your whole body has no hair because you came to see me one time. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. I would love for it to work that way. So generally, when you're coming in to do laser hair, plan to see me for at least 6 sessions. That's the minimum number you're going to need to feel really happy with the amount of reduction that you get. Certain areas of your body are a little trickier than others. So generally, for most body areas, you're looking at 6 to 8 treatments spaced about 6 to 8 weeks apart. That's how long it's going to take to get a whole new phase of your hair into the anagen phase of growth when laser hair can be effective at permanent reduction. So I do tell patients maintenance treatments are important. It's not something that you have to do like clockwork, every year your annual treatment is exactly on December 15th. But I would say if you can plan to do some annual maintenance in a time that it's easy to stay out of the sun, that would be best. That way we're not impacting your lifestyle. You only have to shave once for me that year. Some patients, they are really happy with like a 70% hair reduction because what's left is so thin and fine. With 6 treatments, they're like, oh, that was amazing. That's all I really needed. I just shave my underarms once a month now. And I have other patients who are like, I want as little hair as possible. And I'm like, you're gonna have to come back and see me a couple of times. If you pluck or you wax before you come to see me, you're gonna regret it. If you pull out the bulb, there's nothing there for me to treat. So we wanna make sure that you're giving us a good close shave before you come into the office. About 8 to 12 hours is kind of the sweet spot. So if you have a morning appointment, shave the night before. If you have an evening appointment, shave the morning of. I don't want you to shave right before you come to see me because oftentimes when you're in a rush, you're like, oh, I forgot I was gonna see Melinda today. And you shave right before you come into the office. What happens? You cut yourself, right? Now I can't go over an area of broken skin. Or you give yourself little microabrasions and now that area is gonna hurt so much more when you laser. The great thing about laser hair now is it is so much better than it used to be. So patients who come in and are really worried, like, is this going to be painful? Because they've had waxing and they know how painful that is, or they've had sugaring and they know how painful that is. I tell them, don't worry. If you can handle waxing, laser hair is no issue for you. Even if you've never waxed before, most of my patients will say on a scale from 0 to 10, laser hair is like a 2 out of 10 discomfort. I'm so excited to talk to you more about laser hair. So if you do have additional questions or you'd like to begin treating with laser hair or have questions about any of our other kinds of treatments, give us a call or text us. We're always happy to do a free consultation.